Functions of research. Further, in order to understand the nature of research, we should also know that what are the functions of research. Why is this a buzzword, and why is the process of research is coming from the periphery to the center of our social and educational life? Okay, so what are the functions of research? The point is that the major function of research is seeking new knowledge for continuous improvement, and that's the ultimate goal behind every research activity in any field of life, in any aspect of our educational, social, or political, or scientific life. We want to improve, and that's the ultimate goal. Okay, so research is basically seeking new knowledge and then using that new knowledge for the benefit of man, so that a continuous improvement is going on, right? And this is an ever existing a procedure. It is always in process, because every day we are coming up with new situation, and we are going to explore further ways of any field, any phenomena. So it is the continuous improvement which is the ultimate goal of research as a procedure. So the function of research is about refinement and extension of knowledge. Refinement because the knowledge may be existing, but we want to refine it from another aspect, from another point of view. Okay, so that's the refinement of the the body of knowledge. And then it is about the extension of knowledge, because we are existing with an ever-changing world. So we want to extend further aspects of the knowledge related to a particular field, a particular body of knowledge, right? So it is about refinement, and it is about the extension of knowledge in one way or the other. Okay, so the function of research is aiding decision making concerning the acquisition of knowledge in a specific field. Okay, so we are basically helping out the decision making process. It may be related to any aspect of human life. Okay, so we are helping out that decision making, that how the acquisition of knowledge to any specific field may be assisted. It may be helped out, so that new ways are explored and new aspects are explored, right? So that is the function of research. And it is about related to educational research. It is about improving the learning and teaching process. Like particularly when we talk about research in ELT, English language teaching, as a specific area of research, or it may be like a general area of applied linguistics, of research related to applied linguistics, then the point is that we want to improve the the processes of learning and teaching, right? So it could be from learning point of view, or it could be from teaching point of view, but the ultimate goal is to improve the process of learning and teaching. And the point is that we want to improve aspects of human life, and that's the ultimate goal of any research activity.